You ever notice how the Western diet meat puppets scream, "Plants have anti-nutrients," even though they actually don't eat plants? Like, bro, relax. The kale isn't hunting you. Meanwhile, these same geniuses are out here speedrunning heart disease, cancer, type 2 diabetes, and erectile dysfunction like it's a side quest. Women are stacking UTIs from chicken because the feather dander and fecal bacteria literally contaminate 90% of retail poultry. Men are over here terrified of spinach, but not of the fact that animal fat clogs arteries so fast the blood flow to their favorite body part looks like a traffic jam in Los Angeles. And they're lecturing you about anti-nutrients? My guy, the only anti-nutrients in your life is the Western diet itself. It's anti-heart, anti-artery, anti-libido, anti-longevity, anti-everything except hospital bills. Eat plants. Save your life. Save the animals. Save the planet. Or keep arguing about anti-nutrients while deep-throating the exact foods that are shutting down your organs like old iPhones.